There's a version of you that gets buried under the pace and pressure of modern work. The calm version. The curious version. The focused version. The version that can see the whole problem, not only the next deadline. The version that can think deeply, notice what matters, and be fully present for the people you love. Most of us know what it feels like to lose that version. You wake up and your phone is already demanding more of you. Your inbox didn't sleep. Your calendar is a hostage situation. By 9 a.m., you have 12 tabs open. By noon, you're load-bearing 6 conversations at once and your lunch is a question mark. By evening, you close the laptop, but your mind is still working through the problems of the day. That's the reality many people are living in. Frontier AI changes what's possible. By frontier AI, I mean the strongest AI reasoning models available. Used well, AI gives you back capacity. It helps you think more clearly, move faster under pressure, reduce tactical grind, and improve the quality of your judgment. Here's what that looks like at work. You take a messy problem and find structure faster. You learn an unfamiliar topic in minutes. Your work goes out sharper. You walk into a meeting with your thinking already pressure tested. You see the trade-offs, the weak spots, and the questions a colleague is likely to ask before they're asked. The accountability and judgment are still yours. AI just helps you to get from problem to solution faster without forcing you to create everything from scratch. And because it's with you throughout the day, you can use it in the way work and life actually happen. You describe your day, your constraints, your priorities, and the pressure points you're carrying. It helps you make a better plan. It helps you prepare for a difficult conversation. It helps you think through your health. It helps you stop carrying so much alone. That's when the shift happens. It stops being a tool you occasionally visit and becomes part of how you think. Over time, you get something back that many people are struggling to find. The ability to do excellent work. Engage life with more presence and vigor. And have more of yourself left when the day ends. Because when you use frontier AI consistently, you make better moves more often. You show up sharper, calmer, more prepared. You create more capacity for the work that matters and the people that matter. That's the version of you frontier AI can help unlock.